Europe boasts an array of breathtaking waterfalls, each with its unique charm. Here are some of the most stunning ones. Krimml Waterfalls, Austria. A stunning three-tiered waterfall, one of the tallest in Europe, offering breathtaking views and a series of hiking trails for exploration. Gullfoss, Iceland. A mighty two-tiered waterfall often adorned with rainbows in the land of fire and ice. Rhine Falls, Switzerland. Europe's largest waterfall, known for its power and the mesmerizing boat trips that take you close to the thundering cascade. Gullfoss, Iceland. A picturesque single-drop waterfall that's particularly magical when framed by the northern lights. Seljalandsfoss, Iceland. Europe's most spectacular waterfall, renowned for its immense size and thunderous roar, making it a natural wonder worth experiencing.